welcome back. My name's Elizabeth Lisa Ramirez, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this rubber band ball. So I've had this for years. As you can see, it's like breaking apart. I don't even know how many years I've actually had it. But inside, there is a note. I remember I wrote things I believe. Like, I believe this, I believe that, I believe. And then I signed it at the bottom with the date, so it's in there. It's like in a Ziploc bag, if I'm not mistaken. In here, Ziploc bag, paper crumbled up or folded or something, and then wrapped in a bunch of rubber band balls. Decided we're gonna open it today. Let's see. So here's the letter. I'm gonna read it out loud. Let's see. My name is Elizabeth Ramirez, and today is June 7, 2010. Wow, that's literally 10 years. Literally 10 years, because today is August 4th of 2020. I was born August 21st, 1995, like that was gonna change. I go to HML, now a freshman, soon a sophomore, and they are lawn mowing right here next to me. Great, we're gonna wait for them. Great. So as I was saying, it's still kind of close, but whatever. I believe that everything happens for a reason. I believe in love. I believe in magic. I believe in karma. I believe that you don't know what you got till you lose it. I believe that everything is psychological, that all is just a state of mind. I believe that life is what you make of it. I believe that everything is not what it seems. I believe that although you may say controversial / different, you only truly have one best friend, one true good friend. Interesting. I believe that there is a time and place for everything. I believe in God. I believe in opportunities. I believe that everything is possible. Just have to have faith. I believe in faith. I believe in that what you let out to the world is what you will receive from the world. I believe in perfection, although I believe no one is perfect. We are all different. We are all beautiful. I believe in hard work. I believe that we all have the power to make our own decisions. I believe that everyone changes. I believe that every day is a lesson learned. I believe in forgiveness. I believe that one must do good in order to receive good. But when one is doing good, you can't be doing it to receive, but for that warm, fuzzy feeling. Love, Elizabeth. And that is the letter. 10 years later. Wow. I can't believe I've had that rubber band ball for 10 years. 10 years. And I literally carried it not carried it with me, but like when I moved to New York, I had it. Anywhere, it's always been in my room. That's kind of crazy. Anyways, and that's that. Thanks for watching.